In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Slack theme color, allowing you to customize your Slack workspace to suit your personal style or simply make it more aesthetically pleasing. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace on either a desktop or laptop computer, as changing theme colors is most easily done via the web or desktop app version. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open Slack and log in. Once you're in Slack, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll find your workspace name. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow right next to it. Go ahead and click on this arrow to open a drop-down menu. This will provide you with a variety of options related to your workspace. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Preferences. Click on it, and a new window or pane will appear, showcasing all the customizable settings available to you within Slack. In the settings pane that opens, there are several categories listed on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to select the category labeled Themes. As you do so, you'll immediately see the different theme options appear on the right-hand side. Slack offers a variety of default themes to choose from, each designed to alter the appearance of the interface acutely. As you scroll through these options, you'll notice that each theme preview gives you a clear idea of how the workspace will look. Feel free to click on any theme that catches your eye to see what works best for you. In addition to the default theme options, Slack also allows you the flexibility to create a custom theme. If you choose to embark on creating your own visual design, scroll down the Themes page until you see the Customize Your Theme section. Here you can use hexadecimal color codes or the color picker options to tailor everything to your liking, from the sidebar background to the text colors. After making your selection, the theme change is automatically applied, so there's no need to save your settings manually. However, it's always a good idea to glance around the workspace to ensure that the changes are just as you imagined them. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Slack theme color. Just remember that these visual changes are all about personal preference, so you can revisit and update your theme at any time by navigating back to those same settings. I hope you enjoy a more customized and visually pleasing Slack environment that suits your needs. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.